Okay, I'm long-winded. I went over 15 minutes, so this is part 2. Here we go. All right, I don't want to say yeah because, so let me erase that. I'm going to keep it formal and say yes. Yes, because the graph is a straight line passing through the origin. And remember the origin's address. The origin lives here at 0, 0. Okay, let me erase that because I was going to put the coordinates, but I'll just put a period. All right, so go ahead and take a moment, and that was number 3. No, that was number 4. Let's finish the rest. Let's knock it right on out. All right, so this is 4D. We did A and B, 4D. All right, so this says, what? Oh, take a minute and read it. Read it on your paper because it's fuzzy right here. Okay, so we want to know, what does 0, 0 mean? Remember, we cannot say 0, 0. It's the origin. Remember, we cannot say 0, 0. It's the starting point. A lot of people say that because they don't remember what to say. When they ask you what does 0 mean, 0, 0 mean, they're asking you what does X and Y mean when they're 0. So remember, up at the top, X represented, let me look back. X represented time, I believe. Oh no, for part C. So uncle is uncle and you. So 0, 0 means X is for uncle because that's the first variable they gave you. And you're dependent on uncle. Remember, X is independent and uncle does 3 bags for every 2 that you do. So this would be you, or you can write me. All right. So when X is 0 and Y is 0, what does that mean? If X is for uncle and Y is for you, it just means when uncle uses 0 bags, erase that, you use 0 bags. And you want to be particular. You want to talk about uncle and you want to talk about you. I did give points for people saying it means no bags were used by anyone, but be specific and talk about each variable. When uncle uses no bags, I don't use any bags. And it is the starting point, but you want to make sure you talk about both variables, uncle and you. All right, so let's take a minute and let's look at E. Using a graph, show how many bags you would use if your uncle used 18 bags. All right, so some of you made a table on the situation on part C, but we just know, I'm trying to get this right. There we go. We just know that when uncle uses 3, you use 2. Uncle is independent, so uncle's X, he's going down here. So let's put uncle there and let's put you here. Okay, so for graphs are going to always look proportional if you don't number them right. Okay, if you don't have even intervals, you can't just go skip counting by 2, 8, 12, 3. You can't number your graphs like that. They have to be numbered in intervals, meaning that the same number of distance is in between each number. If you number by 3s, there's 3 numbers in between each count by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. You can number like that. And then for you can number by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, or 10, 12, excuse me. I prefer to number by the same thing on both sides. it makes me feel uncomfortable when two graphs are, or when two axes are numbered differently. But you can do that here for the sake of the proportional relationship. So I'm going to go ahead and number uncles by threes. So remember, this is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, so let's number you. Remember, you are increasing by 2. So that's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, so for every 3 bags I use, or uncle uses, I use 2. So here we go. 3 bags for uncle, 2, put your point. Another 3 bags for uncle, 2 more for you. We're at 6, 4. Then we're going to be at 9, 6. And remember, they're asking about 18 bags. That says 18. So I want to know, if uncle is right here, where will I be over here? So I'm going to be somewhere around here. But let's keep going. All right. So another 3 for uncle will be 12. Another 2 for you will be 8. Another 3 for uncle will be 15. Another 2 for you will be 10. See where I got a proportional relationship? Another 3. Now I'm at 18. And to keep uncle right, he's at 12. So this is the point that you have to refer to. And then, so you've got to show that happening. So a lot of people said, oh, he's going to use 12 bags. Or I'll use 12 bags. Great. Give me the proof. Okay, so here is the proof with my proportional relationship graph. Going in a straight line, passing through the origin. So you're just going to say, and I'm going to erase this 18. You're just going to say, I will use 12 bags when uncle uses 18 bags. Okay, so remember for your test, since I've got a little bit of time in this video, let's pretend that I'm doing some test corrections. I'm going to change this and make it look like a piece of paper so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so if I'm doing my test corrections, anytime I hand in something, I gotta put my name on it. So let's say, put my name here. I like my name on the right side, but the right side of my computer is cracked. And put your crew title, and then you could put end of mod assessment corrections. Okay, and for everyone that you didn't get a full 4 points on, you're writing the right way how to do it. So say, for instance, if I miss number 1, I am not doing this on the test. I'm going to write down the correct work that you saw from the video. So it will be 1/5 divided by 1/2, and then I do 1/5 times 2/1, which is 2/5. So let's put it was it bags per hour? I can't remember what number was about. Number 1 was about. Okay. Then you say, what did you mess up on? So I did not. Some people didn't flip the second fraction. Some people didn't know the starting step. Some people divided the fractions in the wrong order. So say what you did. So I'm going to act like I didn't divide the fractions in the right order. I did not divide the fractions in the correct order. So you're just going to write down the right way to do it, and then correct, and then say what you did, analyze your mistake. The most important part of getting these points back for your test is analyzing your mistake. So this right here is the key. You have to make sure that I see that. If I don't see that, you are not getting new points back towards your test. Not getting any points back towards your test. Okay, so on that note, I am going to sign out. It is 9:22 at night, and I've got to wait for these videos to buffer and load to the channel. I love my 7th grade Cyclones at CC. I can't talk. I love my 7th grade Cyclones at FCCA. Always aim to be great. And signing off. See you later.